Hi everyone, welcome back. So in the last videos we saw two very important options of choosing a goal, wherein we started with the automated ads, and in the next one we saw how we can leverage the power of get more calls. Now in this video we are going to see how we can get people to contact us and what all options that we are gonna get if in case we are selecting call to action button, which is the message us button. Okay, so once we click on that, you can see the goal that we have been provided over here is get more messages. So Facebook will be showing the ads to people who are most likely to send us the messages. So first of all, before proceeding further, let's just see the ad preview. You can see all of the ads are very similar to the ones that we saw next in the previous ads, in the previous goals. However, one thing is different, that is the send message button. So instead of click or sign up or any of those download kind of button, we are being shown a button that basically triggers either messenger to open or probably Instagram messages to open up. All right, so as it says, ad creative, how do you want your ad to look? You can use a post or else you can upload your own images. The medias, you can select any of the medias. Even if you have used it for other ads, you can use that over here. The description and headlines are something that we'll be working on soon enough. While we are creating a proper ad by ourselves manually, we'll also be seeing how we can leverage the power of Canva and create our creatives. Okay, advantage plus creative I already explained in the previous video. Message template is something while we are asking a few details from the customer instantaneously once they have messaged us a query. So this will help us manage all of the customer inquiries even though we are not available at that point in time. So it says message template, how do you want your welcome people who tap on your ad? So even though if we are tapping on the app directly, this is going to be greeted. So hi branders, please let us know how we can help you. So these are the questions that people can click and automatically the answers will be posted. You have to just switch this on over here. Okay, now the apps that are being used are Messenger, Instagram and WhatsApp. So it is not connected right now, but we can connect this WhatsApp account as well. Other than that, if you want, you can activate both of the options at the top of it. Same goes for the audience. Right now you can see the audience detail and everything has been shown depending upon the kind of audience that you are targeting. If you targeting people who have already liked your page to contact you, then you can probably select this one. Or if you are targeting people who are very similar to the kind of audience that have liked your page, you can select this one. The schedule and duration remains the same, just like other goals, and the same goes for placement and the pixel details. So I hope this video made sense so far, wherein we have understood the logic behind selecting a goal, wherein we are getting messages being pushed to our mobile phones either through the Instagram application or through the Messenger application. All right, I hope this made sense. Let's go back and see the next one, get more website visitors. So this is going to be very close to how you have seen in the automated ads procedure, wherein we can select the media, add our headline and description, add our own creatives. We may probably be able to add or select creatives or use a post that we have uploaded before. There are the button labels which have, depending upon the kind of button label that you are looking for, you can, if you are putting down more details, probably a learn more button would be more suitable. Okay, other options remain the same. There are no differences. Only thing is that we need to map our entire pixel if we are making sure to go ahead with a case wherein we want more people to visit our website. Now this goes in similar this goes very similar to how you saw the boosting an Instagram post or reel works. So if we want some content on Facebook that should be boosted, we can probably go ahead with this option. Okay, promote your page, connect more people with your page. So this is basically a promotional strategy wherein more and more people are getting connected to your page, and they probably like those page, and ultimately the future post that you are releasing on your page will reach those customers. Okay, Let's click on get more leads. All right. So as you can see, the goal is get more leads. However, it says grow customer base. So this probably is the new change that Facebook has introduced, wherein the get leads has been reworded to grow customer base, but everything remains the same. Use a form to collect contact information from potential customers. They are going to get a sign up button on the ad. Everything remains the same. I don't see any change, only except the thing that the goal um, has been put here as grow customer base. Okay, so I hope this made sense. There is no particular changes in this. What we are intending to do over here is show you a entire mechanism of how you can select your goal, and probably you can get the lead forms to be signed up. You can also see if in case you want more visitors to reach out to your website, or else you are looking forward to people to contact you. Okay, so all of these options, including the get more messages, this is going to be very similar to how we have seen previously in the video. So all of these goals pertaining to either visits, likes for your pages, or leads for your website, or sales for your entire website, we can create an ad for those purposes. Okay, so as you can see over here, promote, there were three different options. We looked at all of the options. Now what we are going to do, we are going to our ad manager, we are going to look at all the options and the dashboard that is being displayed to us, and then we are finally going to create our first ad. Post that, we'll be checking the strategies of how we can scale, manage, and test all of the ads that we are working on. So I thank you for watching this video, and I'm going to see you in the next one.